Hey, greetings. I'm Paul Hanson, and I got to tell you, I've been so impressed with something. I had to take the time to give a review and tell you a little bit of why. The program I'm referring to is the Partner with Anthony program that I have now been engaged with for a couple of weeks, although I was introduced to Anthony Morrison several months ago through another one of my mentors. This introduction to Anthony was nothing less than a godsend and a revelation to what can be accomplished with online and affiliate marketing. Since you've probably noticed, I've been around the block more than once, and I venture to say that most of us in my age group find it hard enough to navigate any type of online existence, at least for me. I often say my kids grew up with the internet and I had to grow into it. Well, we can feel fortunate to be able to access the talent and skill that Anthony holds. And he does it in such a comprehensive way that even I, a total non-techie type, can understand it. I'm going to show you why in just a minute. I'm not going to bore you with my history, only to tell you that I was devastated by the stock market and real estate crash back in 2008-09. And I was forced to close my real estate business, and at the same time, I was simultaneously losing my shirt in the stock market. After that, I looked at several businesses and opportunities seeking to work from home, and I became vastly interested in doing so on the internet. Now, fast forward, after spending thousands of dollars on online courses and programs and software and the like, I came away with some knowledge, but really nothing in my pocket, if you know what I mean. And really, when I was introduced to Anthony's programs, and specifically the Partner with Anthony program, I knew I had found the answer to what I was looking for. And let me show you exactly what I mean. See, I'm going to give you a glimpse of exactly what I'm talking about and why this is the most hands-on, slam dunk way to succeed in an online business that I've seen to date. I'm going to take you to my Partner with Anthony program. I kind of like to call it Power with Anthony as well, but this will give you a glimpse of exactly how it works and why anyone can be successful by simply following the steps. Okay, so here you are on the Partner with Anthony website when you become a member. Across the top here, you're going to see some of the resources that Anthony's laid out for you. And as you can see, everything's laid out here in step-by-step fashion, giving you a solid understanding of affiliate marketing. Basically, you're instructed to completing each session before moving to the next. But the best part is you can move at your own speed. Of course, most of us like to move along as fast as possible, but there are no time constraints placed on you. Anthony actually shows you the basics of what you need to make things work through the video instruction in each session, and how the tools you'll utilize will plug into his ecosystem, which is basically a library of resources that become your very own multiple streams of income. And I'll show you here just in session 3 quickly. This is
hey everybody, what's up, Anthony?
One of the videos, and it's video after video. He's personally instructing you on the step-by-step on how to set up your business and how to be successful. So what you build will plug directly into Anthony's system, and when someone buys, you are paid. Now, he even assists with traffic generation and how to bring prospects to the table. It's truly a win-win. And this is a situation that can literally launch your internet success. So to find out more and how to get started, click the link below, and I hope to see you start your online success journey with us. Take care.